you been?
Hey, Mr. Rick, I've been just good. How about yourself? How you been?
I've been pretty good too, yeah.
Well, that's good. I'm glad to hear it.
Well, tell everybody how much you miss them.
Well, I sure will. I'm telling you what, fellas and fellettes, I sure have been missing y'all. It's like I've been on a vacation or something. Yeah.
Well, they have. Everybody been asking about you and all that.
Okay.
Have you seen Carl?
Yeah, I've seen Carl. Been teaching him how to play the guitar. Yeah. Yeah, but you don't want to hear him sing.
No, I can't imagine him singing either.
No, he's terrible. He don't know how to sing. He can play the guitar all right, though. Have you heard a few jokes lately?
Well, yeah, I've heard a few jokes. These are dad jokes, though, you know. I mean, they're dad jokes. They're not good jokes. They're dad jokes, which rhymes with bad jokes. But anyway, yeah.
Okay.
Why do you think that koi, you know, they always swim in schools?
Koi's a fish.
You know.
Uh-huh.
So why do you think that is? They swim in numbers of 4.
Okay, 4.
Yeah. Well, it's A, B, C, and D.
Oh.
And so if somebody tries to attack a koi, the A, B, and C run off.
They run off.
And that leaves a decoy.
A decoy.
I know.
A decoy. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's a decoy. That's pretty funny right there. Okay. Got nothing?
All right. Well, here's another one. Did you hear about the fella that got hit in the head with a soda?
With a soda?
Yeah. Oh. It was a good thing it was a soft drink.
Oh. You're right.
Oh, they don't get any better.
No, that wasn't too good. But hey, it's not bad though. That ain't bad. Yeah, you would do.
All right, well, you tell me this. Why did a deer go to the dentist?
Well, why did a deer go to the dentist?
Yeah, why did a deer go to the dentist?
I don't know.
Because he had buck teeth.
He had buck teeth like mine, I bet you.
I told you.
He had buck teeth like mine. All right, you got one more. You better tell me.
So tell me.
Uh-huh.
Why are most fish easy to weigh?
Why are most fish
right. Easy to weigh? Well, because they have scales.
Oh, they have their own scales, don't they have them on there? Yeah.
Well, all right, well, I'll tell you what.
All right.
You tell me some dad jokes.
You want me to tell you some bad jokes or dad jokes, all right? Well, you know, singing in the showers, it's a fun thing, you know, until you get soap in your mouth.
Singing in the shower, huh?
Then it becomes a soap opera.
You were right about that.
All right.
Good. Tell a nut.
I stayed up all night wondering where the sun went. And then you know what? It dawned on me.
Then it dawned on me.
Yeah,
huh?
it dawned on me.
Well, yours ain't no better than mine. Go ahead.
Call a teacher. What do you call a teacher who refuses to park in front of her student?
I would say she's polite.
A private tutor.
A private tutor. That's pretty bad. All right, one more.
What do you call a lazy doctor? Dr. Doolittle.
Lazy doctor.
That's right.
Dr. Doolittle. Okay, all right. All right, well, wait a minute. Those last jokes that you just heard, mine and PeaRoy, they all came from one person that sent them to me, Tammy, my cousin. So y'all give it up, give her a good hand, because those are her jokes. Yeah, that's right, PeaRoy. All right. So one time I'm gonna tell my long joke now. All right. All right. So one time there was this two rednecks, and they was walking out in the pasture.
Yeah, redneck. Huh?
And they come up to the edge of the pasture, and right on the inside of the pasture there was a big old hole.
A hole?
I mean a big one.
Man.
Looks like you could probably drive your truck down there.
You don't mean.
And they both stood at the edge of it, and they was looking in.
Uh-huh.
One of them looked at the other and says, "Man, right there's a big hole."
What a hole.
He said, "Yeah, it looks like it goes on forever.
Yeah.
I wonder if we was to throw something down in that hole, maybe we could tell how deep it is by making a noise."
Yeah. That sounds like a good
He
idea.
said, "All right, well, let's see if we can find something."
Uh-huh.
So they come out of the edge of the woods there, and there was a cinder block laying there. It took both of them to pick it up.
Oh, that's
so
a
they
big
picked
one.
up that old cinder block,
Yeah.
went back into the edge of the woods there, and they throwed it in.
You don't.
They stood there listening, and all of a sudden, there come a goat. And
goat?
it just went right by them and went down in the hole.
Went down the
Head
hole.
first. That old goat didn't even think a thing about it.
You don't mean.
So they sitting there, they's listening.
Uh-huh.
They was there for a little while, and here come the farmer. He walked up and he says, "Hey, look here, y'all.
Uh-huh.
Y'all ain't seen a goat come by here."
Huh.
One of the rednecks looked up and said, "Gee, we sure have. That dead blind goat come running through here
You
and
don't
jumped
mean.
down in that hole head first."
Oh, good.
He said, "No, that wasn't my goat, because my goat was tied to a cinder block."
That's there too bad. My goodness.
All right, you tell yours.
I got a good one. One time there was this lady and her husband had died, you know. And she said, "Look here, I want my husband to be buried in a beautiful blue suit.
Uh-huh.
Not a black one. No, I don't want a black suit. I want a blue suit." And so the undertaker said, "Well, what's wrong with the black suit?" She said, "He always wanted to be buried in a blue suit. Now, I'm going to give you some money here." And she gave him a blank check. She said, "I want you to buy him a blue suit."
Okay, gave him the money. All right, show me the money.
He said, "All right, ma'am, I'm here to please. I'll do that." So the funeral come up, and there in the casket laid a man. He's in a beautiful blue suit. And the lady got with the undertaker and said, "Sir, I want you to know that's a beautiful suit you got there. You done me proud. Done me proud."
That's awful nice.
She said, "Now if you'll just tell me how much that suit costs, I'll get you paid up." And he looked at her and said, "Well, I tell you what, ma'am, it didn't cost a thing. I had another lady come in with her husband. He was wearing a blue suit. And I just switched the head."
What? Oh no, man!
Oh,
my
man.
goodness! Good.
I know.
Don't believe oh man, that's terrible.
Woo, that's not good.
All right, well, look here. Let me see if I can't get back busy on this, because this time is short. It's gonna get cold again. So, all right. Well, I'll talk to you later.
Well, all right, Mr. Rick. I'm going to go ahead and get busy here, too, because I'm trying to get this thing running. All right, so you have a good week, and I'll see you later on next week, all right? All right, be sweet. I just switched the head. That's too funny right there. I don't care who you are.